the woman uncomfortable.
Yeah. The men weren't complaining.
Yeah, exactly what I was just thinking. It's exactly what I was thinking.
Fine, we were like, no, man, come on now. Come on now, cover up. Guys are like, it's fun.
Yeah.
It's okay.
I didn't even notice.
Yeah, as long as you're comfortable.
Yeah.
Okay, but it brings me to the question though, and I've wondered about this before. Is dress code still applicable in 2026 when you're going out?
That's a very good question.
I remember there was a time, and I don't know if it still is, but there were dress codes for men at
Especially
nightclubs.
going to
Yes.
nightclubs, yeah.
So nightclubs, you had to wear certain
Collared
shoe
shirts.
and all that rubbish, and you can't wear a cap. And
No
blah, blah.
sneakers.
Yeah, no sneakers and all that nonsense. Does that still exist?
Apparently it does in some places. And so I have a friend who owned a nightclub, and I remember having this conversation with him, and he was saying, look, we've got a lot of carpets because we want to make the place lush and fancy and
I'm
whatever
dying to
it
know
is.
where the story goes.
And he says
We had a lot of carpets.
Yeah, and he says the sneakers killed their carpets. And the cost, I swear to you. Swear.
No, man.
I
No, it's
promise.
nonsense.
Why would you have carpets in a nightclub?
As a-
Ew.
They were trying to make like this loungy sort of
No.
whatever vibe. Nice like a dance spin and sneakers either.
That is ridiculous. Because in this day and age, I mean, and I'm all for it though. You express yourself.
Yes.
I mean, for goodness sake, some people can choose their own pronouns, never let alone their own outfit. You know what I'm saying? So how do you even tell people?
Oh, I'm going to say the thing that I probably shouldn't say.
What?
I do think that there are certain places where not just everything is okay.
Is it?
Yeah,
So do you dress differently to where you go?
Well, I do.
Yeah.
I do think that I will wear something that is a little bit more, I don't want to say conservative, but a little bit more covered up depending on where I'm going, or something a little bit more revealing, a little bit more sexy depending on where I'm going. It's not just a everything for everywhere kind of situation. But that's me personally. And will I judge you if you walk into a place and I think to myself, you could have worn less or you could have worn more? Yes, I will, internally. And then to my friends.
So at the coast, people don't dress up at the coast. Yeah. Like seriously, you know what I'm saying?
KZN, like
yeah, anywhere by the coast,
very
really.
warm.
It's not unlikely to go out in even your board shorts and.
Please don't do that. Please don't do that. We're not going for dinner with you in your board shorts. What is going on? No. This is not no.
It's the real me.
No. But then the real me is coming out in my pajama pants, and then you're going to be embarrassed. Do you know what I mean? So it's also that division of.
Okay. So how do you feel about people in hotels coming down to breakfast in the slippers? Oh, really?
Yeah. Have you seen the whole nightgown?
Ek en my ma, nê? My oorlee ma, saam van haar graf op. En gaan vir jou 'n klap gee van wat doen jy? Wat doen jy?
There was a lady, I kid you not, waiting to board the plane in Singapore, and she was sitting there in her silk pajamas.
No, you're kidding.
I'm telling you now. And I thought there was a side of me that was really envious. I was like, smart.
You're gonna get on and just go to
Right?
sleep. Yeah,
Yeah,
For a
exactly.
long-haul flight. Yeah.
Oddly, you're going to eat and then sleep.
Yeah.
But
Okay, I
yeah.
do need to point out, though, that those silk pajama sets are not always pajamas. They actually are a set that you can wear during the day that women actually have.
No.
I promise you.
No.
Yeah. So if it didn't give you outfits,
Are you telling me to give me an outfit and not
I
pajamas?
promise you. I'm not even kidding.
Okay, it's a no. Doesn't matter what you wear.
No, it does. It absolutely does.
leave your hat on.
Yeah. We'll get back to that. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I think it was like a thing a couple of years ago. It's still a thing in certain parts of the world, but really, should it be? Should you still, in this day and age, tell people what they can and cannot wear? Isn't it? Stel jy, with where we are and how liberal the world has become in so many ways, is it even still thinkable
Or
to tell people what to wear?
Or is it that because things went very, very liberal, that everyone's sort of got this, let's pull back a little?
And return to dress code?
No, it's not about returning to dress code. It's just that I personally, like I said, there is a time and a place for everything. We don't need everything all the time, or we don't. There's just a time and a place, and that goes for guys and girls. Board shorts at dinner, not happening.
You sound like the type of person who's going to say that you put flops out.
Like, what do you mean out? Like for dinner?
Yes.
No.
Nice skinnies.
And flip-flops.
Nice skinnies and flip-flops.
Yeah, the tone of your voice tells me you're not.
No,
really
the ones
level.
with the Velcro straps.
Here's the question.
Yeah.
Where are we going for dinner? Are we going to a very casual pub and grill? Then yes, you can do that.
Sure. No,
are we going to somewhere that's a little bit more upmarket? If you come to me in your flip-flops and your skinny and we're going, and I've dressed up.
But do you hear how sexist this is? Are you hearing yourself?
No,
are you hearing how sexist this is? Are you telling me that you will go to a nightclub and they will tell a lady you can't wear open-toed shoes, cover up your feet? Can you picture a thing like that? But with men, I'm told what shoes to wear.
No, but
I'm like,
my open-toed
excuse
shoes
me?
are not flip-flops. They are sexy sandals. They're not flip-flops.
I beg your pardon. Have you seen the nice slops out there?
Have you ever seen a woman go to a nightclub in flip-flops? We don't. We go
Really?
in sexy open-toed sandals.
Some of your sandals look like they could just be, it's like
wow.
yeah, some of your sandals
Yes.
look like slops that went to a private school.
Just because it's liberal and there are more options does not mean that sandals that are open-toed shoes are not pretty and should be then flip-flops. It means we've got more options. You've got more options to dress nicely and to fit into what we want you to wear. Doesn't mean...
I think you've become a little bit comfortable with people not telling you what to wear. I think we've just uncovered a bit of a battle of the sexes here, I think. Because they also tell men you can't wear caps. Excuse me?
Yeah.
Picture a day in your life where someone tells you what to put on your head. Oh, there will be fights. But men have to suck it up.
Yeah.
Excuse me?
Ties
Hadde
only,
ek en jy
jackets
moet maar
only.
The pin is out.
Kom ons
No
byt ons
jackets.
se tonge. Kom ons
The
byt ons se
The
tonge.
pin is out. I haven't thrown it yet.
Yeah.
We'll first do the news.
We've got a duck under the
Then
table.
grenades.
Talking about dress codes, I mean, does it even still apply in this day and age, in 2026? Can you still tell people what to wear? Can you throw them out of pubs or clubs if they're not wearing the right thing? What is happening? Maylene on the line, not agreeing with something I said, I think. There's a surprise. Hello, Maylene. How are you?
Hi, Martin. Good, and you? Hi,
Hi.
team.
Hi.
Lily.
So you're going on a date. The guy's wearing a nice pair of skinnies, maybe, and blackies. What's wrong?
Put in some effort. Put in some effort. If I rock up there with a pair of slops and a shorts, he will also walk out on a dinner date. First, I'm a single woman, so if I go on a date, I put in some effort.
Yes.
So, yeah, no, don't agree with you on that one, Martin.